Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I have a project share for you for ASC Craft Supplies, and I am using the last of my passages. This is Blue Fern Studio passages, and this is all I have left. So I used it on, I had one sheet left, and actually a sheet and a little bit more. So I went ahead and used it on this next project because I don't want to throw my I don't want to throw my leftover sheets away, and it was just one, and I thought I could go ahead and use it on the next project. So that's what I did. Guys, I am going to go ahead and link ASC Craft Supplies store, their .com and their Etsy store in the description box, along with a coupon code. So I'll put that coupon code in the description box. Feel free to use it and enjoy their site. Okay, let me show you what I've made. I joined a swap, and it is for a handbag. And we were to follow any tutorial on YouTube to make the handbag. And there may be a tutorial for one like this out there. I don't know, because I saw a picture of one like this, and I thought, oh, I think I can do that. So I don't have a tutorial because it was one of these make as you go projects. So this is a saddle bag purse, and the reason it's called that is just because of the shape, because it's rounded like a saddlebag. So anyway, what I did to this purse, so I used the bling around the bottom here. I used pearls on the top. I put a couple of clusters of flowers, and then this piece I got from Michelle Randolph. She is Shabby Chic Chick here on YouTube, and she had given me one of our swaps. She had given me this gorgeous necklace. So this is part of that necklace, and I just cut it down and made it the focal point of the front of the bag. It's really, really pretty. So on the flowers, I stickle the flowers, and the leaves, I finally found a die that is a skeleton leaf die that I like the shape. And I got this die. It is Elizabeth Craft Designs, and I got it through scrapbook.com, and I just thought this was so pretty, so I went ahead and bought that one and used those for the leaves. And then this is 6 inches wide by 5 inches tall, and the handle is a 12-inch handle. And then I was gonna cover this side, but I just ultimately decided not to. I was gonna tone down some of this solid colored cardstock, but I decided to leave it as is. And then again, I used the liquid pearls, and I don't know what it is about this little indentation in the center. I don't know what's causing that. I must be doing something wrong, because this one looks fine. I don't know. I tried to pay attention to what I was doing, and I don't know what I did wrong. I don't know what it is. Anyway, so on the back, I went ahead and used another some more bling around the back of the bag, and I used another image of this beautiful train here with a cluster of flowers. And like I said, I only had a sheet of this paper left, and I didn't want to throw it away. I wanted to use it because it's so pretty. And so this is the other another piece of the sheet. On the handle, I did use some Dollar Tree crocheted lace ribbon, so that I did do that for the handle. And then the handle moves either side, whichever side you want to move it to, but it does move. It is connected with some brads on the sides. And then opening the purse up, it is it does have a magnet closure, and I forgot what these magnets are called, but I only had one, so I used it on here. And this is just a decorative panel. It doesn't it's not a pocket, and it doesn't have a purpose other than it's decorative. So I didn't know how to make the bag open without having to fold it. So what I did was I just put a whole bunch of score lines on there, and I didn't fold the score lines. I just put them together and made sure, not put them together, but I rolled them to make sure that you know, they weren't going to, that it was going to open and function. Okay, so there's the closure, the flap with all those score lines. And then in the swap, we're supposed to include, I don't remember, I think it is 3 embellishments, whether they be store-bought or handmade. So I went ahead and made mine, and I put them here, there it is. And I put them in the bag. So I'm going to show you what I've made to coordinate with the paper. So I made some rosettes, and there are 2 pink ones and 2 blue ones. And then I also made her some bows, and I made a little box for the bows, some pink and blue bows. I just thought those were so adorable. And I made a box with an acetate top, and I really don't want to take it out, guys. And I did make sure that it fit nice and snug because I didn't want it to open. But there's the top, and it does fit snugly. And there are the little bows. I made 3 of those for my partner, which I don't know who it is. And then I also sent my partner a sequence mix in this little candy container. And this actually, I'm sharing this. I got this one from Michelle as well in that swap. So I am sending her a candy. And then I also made her a little box. This is more of a sleeve. And on the front, I did use the paper, some more of the paper. And I put some pearls at the bottom, some bling here on the sides, a flower, another, I'm gonna call them Michelle flowers, another Michelle flower, and then those gorgeous leaves. And then again, I used the liquid pearls. But do you see these right here, guys? These look perfectly fine. They don't have that indentation, but yet this one does. I don't know what it is. And then there's the back. I went ahead and covered the sides and the back. So when we open this up, I will show you, I had gotten a container from the 99-cent only store, and I think I shared that in a haul with you guys. So I used that little square container, and here's the little sleeve that I put it in. And I used that little square container. It comes with all these little jars, and in each jar I put some diamond dots, some drills for the diamond paintings. My daughter does a lot of diamond painting, so we have a lot of drills. And this was from a very, very colorful kit that she got, and she had all these leftovers. Actually, we still have more, but I thought that would be cute. I mean, she's gonna get her own set of diamond dots, diamond dot drills. So I thought that was, I think I'll do this again because we have a lot of them. And I know people like to put them in their shakers, and I'm not much of a shaker maker, but I thought that just looks so pretty. I love the colors. So I am including that for my partner as well. And that is what I'm sending my partner, guys. I hope she likes it, whomever she is. I don't know who it is. I mean, they haven't, the sign up isn't even, people are still signing up. The reason that I did this so early was because, you know me, I want to finish a project, fully finish it, and then go on to the next one. So I did sign up for something else, and I wanted to show you guys, share with you guys what I had made for this swap. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.